This is my project and I am going to explain the questions in this project. So first question based on the scoreboard operator. Here Team London has played 8 matches in this tournament. They won 4 matches and lost 3 matches and drew 1 matches. For win they got 3 points, and for draw they got 1 point, and for lost they got 0 points. So first we assign the fixed values, that is for win 3 points, draw 1 points and lost 0 points. And using this formula, that is London points is equal to win into 4 plus draw into 1 and lost into 3. So this formula will get the total points gained by Team London. Here we use print function to print this value, that is total points gained by Team London is, and here we write London points. This value comes from this, and print the value comes from this formula. So the result is total point gained by Team London is 13. That's the first problem. The next problem is nutrition bar ingredient chart. Here the company produced a nutrition bar that contains 45 gram of resin, 65 gram of almond and 30 gram of apricots. So first we assign the fixed value, that is resin is equal to 45 gram, almond is equal to 65 gram and apricot is equal to 30 gram. So for calculating the percent of resin, we use the formula, that is the percent of resin is equal to weight of resin divided by total weight, that is the sum of weights of resin plus almonds weight and apricots weight into 100. And here we using print function to print this, that is to print quantity of resin is, and here we use round function to round off the figure, and here we using 2. This will print only 2 digits after decimal, and here using percent sign to give the sign of percent. So the result is quantity of resin is 32.14%. And for calculating the percentage of almond, we use the formula, that is percent of almond is equal to weight of almond divided by total weight of ingredients into 100. And print function will print the quantity of almond is, and round function will round out the figure after 2 decimal place, and percentage sign will come here. So the result is quantity of almond is 46.43%. And for calculating the percentage of apricot, we use the formula weight of apricots divided by total weight of ingredients multiplied by 100, and print function will print quantity of apricot is 21.43%. This comes from this formula. So the next problem is based on algebra, that is here given a function fx is equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. We have to calculate the different values of fx at different value of x. So first we have to calculate the value of fx at x is equal to 3, fx at x is equal to minus 2, and fx at x is equal to 4. So first we calculate the value of fx at x is equal to 3. So we choose the expression, this expression for each time, that is for x is equal to 3, the function will print the value of 14. That is the f of 3 is equal to 14, and here comes f of minus 2 is equal to minus 6, and here f of 4 is equal to 24. And here we have done some Boolean operations, that is if f of 3 is greater than or equal to f of minus 2, they will give the Boolean result, that is true or false. So if we see here that f of 3 is equal to 14 and f of minus 2 is equal to 6, here the result is true, so the output is also true. Here we using some algebraic operation. If here we can see that f of 3 is equal to 14, f of minus 2 is equal to 6, and f of 4 is equal to 24. So the function have different value at different value of x, so this result comes false. So here the output is false. Here the fourth problem, that is we have to find the finding total A's in the bookshelves. Here given that some name of books, that is first we assign the name of book, that is books is equal to first book name is Python for everyone, second book is Learn Python the Hard Way, Python Crash Course, fourth is starting out with Python, and fifth is automate the boring stuff with Python. So here we using the dot count method to counting the letter A in this string. Here this is the string. So we have we we have used the dot count method to count the capital A letter and small a letter. So here we use small a underscore count to assign this to count the value of small a, total number of small a letters, and here we use capital A underscore count to count the total number of capital A letters in this total string. So the dot count small a count the total number of small a in this book safe, and capital dot count dot count capital A will count the total number of capital A letters in this string. So after that we calculate total number of A counts. So we add both both of these outcomes. So total number of A is equal to small a counts plus capital A counts, and here we use print function to print the total number of A's in this string. So the total number of A in the list of book is 7. So next question is unleash the power of mean in the exam analysis. So some students marks are given in this list. So here it is the list of marks of the student. So we assign the marks is equal to here as here the 67, 87, 75, 46, 89, 97, 68, 98, 87 and 88, the marks of a student. So we have to calculate the mean. The formula of mean is equal to sum of marks divided by number of students. So we using assign this mean marks is equal to sum marks. Here we using the function sum marks, that is the marks under this list, total marks of the, here the sum function calculate the sum of these marks, and the length of marks function tell about the total number of student. So the mean is equal to sum of total marks divided by number of student, and the print function will print the total mean marks, that is the mean of the mark is 80.2. That's